Hi you guys, and may the 4th be with you. That's right, that means today is Star Wars Day. And for those who knows me knows I have an obsession for not only Star Wars, the movie itself, but with Baby Yoda. And what perfect time to show you my new Build-A-Bear Baby Yoda, or the child, I like Baby Yoda better, than today. So why don't we get started? Okay. Ooh, look at this baby. So my Baby Yoda, or AKA the child, whatever you like to call him, is in here. I haven't opened it yet. But it did come with the actual Build-A-Bear box, which I didn't know you would get from outside the store. I had to order this online because we all know about the circumstances. If you guys didn't get the notice on Instagram, it's because they announced that they were going to give the first priority to anyone who actually signed up for their emails. So if you have signed up for the email, then you have received the notice first. And if you haven't, then you guys might want to do that for the second wave. I believe maybe from the third stock they might announce it on Instagram, but I know for right now they're only going to focus on whoever signed up for the email listing. So if you haven't done it, go do it now so you can get your own Baby Yoda Build-A-Bear. Alright, I'm excited, oh, I've been waiting for this. Okay, let's all of you are probably like, shut up Stephanie and just open up the damn box. Oh my god. Well, before I reveal the Baby Yoda, oh, it comes with a certificate. All you need to do is do the date of birth and who it belongs to. But then other than that, it's 14 inches, 10 ounces, black eyes, and the fur color is light green. And look, it's signed by the actual Build-A-Bear people. Isn't that super cute? Oh my god. I wish it was a lot colorful though. Or in better paper. Build-A-Bear, get it in better paper. Okay, and then what else? Oh, and then they also gave me, this is how it's looked like advertised. I want to know if this looks exactly in real life. So what do you guys think? You think it's going to look exactly like the picture? There's only one way to find out. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so ready. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Okay. No, it's mine. Cords, get away. Oh. Sorry, Baby Yoda. Oh my god, I'm doing you dirty. I think his outfit, okay, there we go. He kind of looks like a bear, but not really. Aww. He's so cute. I feel like he looks more like an alien as a Build-A-Bear. I don't know, what do you guys think? Oh my god, it has his little cloak. What does he have under his cloak? Is that exposing the child if I do that? Oh. Alright, so you see he has his little leg. Underneath is just his little body. I didn't know his actual body was brown. I would have assumed it was like light green. But okay. Then you have his little clothes. His little ears. His little winkles. And then it does come with obviously the Baby Yoda tag. I mean Baby Yoda. The Mandalorian tag. And he's super soft. So I want to make a note in his left, would you call this a foot, I guess, or a paw? Is it a paw or foot? Whatever. His left paw / foot, it says Star Wars. And then on his right hand or paw, it's the Build-A-Bear logo. It's supposed to make noise. You guys heard that? Oh. I'll forever love you.
Can you stop? This is why I don't have stuffies on my bed. Because someone will get them.
I know it's supposed to have 5 sounds, so that was 2. How many was that? Was that 4? Where's the... It's supposed to have the... Oh, they have them on both sides. Oh, there's a theme song. Am I gonna get copyrighted? Don't care. Okay, so on his, what is this, his right? So on his right side is the actual baby noises, and then on his left is the actual theme song of The Mandalorian. Oh my god. I'll forever love Baby Yoda. I feel like my girlfriend's jealous of how much I'm like giving love to Baby Yoda. I love him. Baby, what do you think?
You're happy, so I'm happy.
It's our baby for now. Cordy, you have a new brother, even though you want to destroy him.
How we keep that at a children's reach.
Yeah. And by the way, he's really soft. He is extremely soft. It did ship out pretty fast than expected. And I was extremely happy that I got it because I was terribly confused when I ordered it, saying that my order didn't process, so then I had to email them. But then it all worked out because I have my little Build-A-Bear Baby Yoda. Okay, I am extremely happy. I don't know what else to say but that I'm really happy. So I also want to say happy 40th anniversary to The Empire Strikes Back. And yes, I hope you guys have a great May the 4th be with you day. And let me know if you like Baby Yoda and that if you would get Baby Yoda, because I'm sure happy I got Baby Yoda as a Build-A-Bear. And for those who want to get on me, I know it's the child, but I like the Baby Yoda better than the child. I like calling him Baby Yoda better. I don't know, wouldn't you agree, baby?
Yeah.
Or would you call him the child?
No, Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda. We're gonna call him Baby Yoda until we know if he officially has a name by the end of the series or whenever we find out if he actually has a name. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, May the 4th be with you, or really May the 4th be with you, and I will give you more videos on any Star Wars products that you want me to show you, because I really do love Star Wars. But anyways, I'm gonna go watch all the movies now because all the movies are now on Disney Plus. So see you the next time. Bye. Remember to always stay sassy and fabulous.
Let me hear you say I'm ready. I'm ready. Come on. Now slide, slide, slide to the bar. Shine, shine, shine like a star. Let me hear you say I'm ready.